How to make a smart contract with Faswet. Enter Faswet.com. On account, register with your data or log in with your user. Enter the main user menu and select the option Create Your Intelligent Contract. A window will appear in which you must choose one of your addresses with which you will make the payment of the operation. Then select the type of document you want to create and click Accept. If you want to make a contract, select Contract from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear. In this, you must enter your name, the contract title, and its content. Include the object, price and tax if applicable, and term if applicable. Your KYC will appear automatically, or you can upload a photo of your identification document. Enter the email registered in Faswet of the user who will confirm or accept the contract. Click Confirm to create the contract successfully. Now, you must wait for the counterparty to confirm the contract. To verify if the contract was confirmed, enter the user's main menu and select My Smart Contracts. Click on Confirmed. There you will see your confirmed contracts. Now that you have the answer, make it real. Make it Faswet.